Hello guys, today I am going to prepare Guava jam. Let's get to it.
I wanted to make this type of jam because its fruit is aromatic and sweet. In our country, it is grown in almost all provinces, and those with the highest production are Santa Elena, Orellana, Pastaza, and Pichincha. Ingredients: 1 pound of guavas, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1 head of lemon, and 1 pinch of cinnamon. We wash the fruit to remove any bacteria. We cut the fruit into 4 parts so that it blends well. We place the water to heat a little and at the same time it heats up. We must place all the chopped fruit for a better consistency to blend. We stir with the spoon. We cover it. We remove from the pot and put them to blend. We look for a sifter and next to a container we sieve the waste such as seeds or some peel. This process can be annoying but you must have a little patience for this. After sifting add all the sugar, a pinch of cinnamon and 1 whole of lemon. Stir well for about 15 to 20 minutes for a thick outflowing consistency. To know if it is ready, we must notice that it looks like this. Since here we can notice that the texture is thick like any gem. Mmm, sweet, delicious. This is how my recipe ends. I can accompany it with cookies and tea, or spread on bread. Mmm, very, very delicious.